M0FXB, welcome to my channel. So we've got a couple of radios here. One is a transceiver, Icom 705 at the top. For me, it's the best radio that I've ever owned, ever. And we're on the airband at the moment. How do you select airband? You just tap here, airband. It's that simple, okay? You can see it's got this nice scope, and we'll talk about that in a minute because we can see some signals coming through there as well. At the bottom here, we've got the Uniden SDS200E scanner, and it is looked at as being one of the best scanners in the world, and it covers, you know, every band you can think of: airband, marine band, military, business, railway, just everything. Yeah, it's all there, but it's a receiver only, and this one will do DMR, NXDM, P25, let me think now, DPMR, and so much more. But it's a receiver. This one will actually transmit. It's a 5 or 10 watt transmitter, and it works great on the HF bands and everything like that. This one will not receive the HF bands. So if you want to listen to 40 meters, we call it, 20 meters, 80 meters, you're not going to get that on this, although it will do CB 10 meters, 11 meters, or 29, 28 megs, 27 megs, it will do that. So what I want to show you is an airband comparison. So right now we've got similar antennas connected, and we're listening to the airband. If we turn down the Icom, we'll go to the Uniden. Let's turn it up here.
Not reported. Coverage not reported. Reported.
And if we flick up, we'll let it search through the airband, see if we can hear some pilots. We're near Bristol Airport, southwest UK. We're just literally just scanning. We have got a spacing of 8.333 at the moment. You hear the pilot there. We scan back and forth, and it's up to 137, I believe. Go back again. When we hear a stronger one, we'll hold it. Keep going back. And you can see there we're searching for some activity. Now let me show you let's leave it back on the, that's the information channel. Now we'll turn up the Icom. Turn down this completely. With the Icom, look, we can actually see the activity, and this is the difference. This is what this is missing. We have a signal meter here, information, but we don't have a scope. So see, there's a signal there with a little arrow. 127,100, which is what we just received. And we can type that into this. We can just type it in, 127, remember the dot 100. And we can, that's the enter button on this. So we're now listening to the same frequency. See if they are. I'll turn this one down. We're now hearing it on the SD200. Let's wait for that. With airband transmissions, they are short bursts. They're using the band as little as they need to, which makes complete sense. The spacing is different than what we're used to with the new 8.333. I'm not used to that myself, but I can see it's not busy today. Let's turn that up. And that was the 127,100 there. Now if we were on here, we'd see that. There you go. You can see the little bursts of information. Well, it's actually a carrier. From aeroplanes, from towers, we get a mixture here. Let's wind down. Right, there's something there. Oh, that's the information. That information is crucial. They actually use that before the pilots take off. They use that information to set the parameters when they fly. So there's one there. 127. So we'll go 1, 2, IC-705. Oh, we missed the dot. Let's look for transmits. We've got to be quite quick, haven't we? Hopefully that person will speak again. There you go. And another one there. Over here. 560.127.56. And I do find if you just leave it on these frequencies, there is regular transmission there. Was it 560? So I thought I'd show you these together. You know, the good thing about the Icom, which is, you know, this is a £1,400 device. Tap that, you've got all your hand bands, you've got VHF, UHF, 6 meters, you can listen to the CB bands, 11 meters, FM radio broadcast as well, which I'm sure you can get on this if you type in the right frequency, like if you've got FM radio. There's one there, let's turn it down. Can we type that in? Let's try it. So 94.300. Enter.
Separated by fighters from IS. One of her daughters was...
There you go. So it's just, you know, they're both fantastic. Yeah, they're not, you know, these are expensive items. The scanner in the US is $699. These are probably $1,500. But if it's your hobby, if it's your passion, and you spent your whole life enjoying this stuff over years, you know, you can buy this kind of equipment, or you can buy cheaper options. I've got a handheld scanner here.
Automatic, runway news 27, runway 27, runway condition code.
And you know, you can get these things for $100 to say $150.
Follow 108 Bravo.
And look how good that is. And this has got rechargeable batteries.
Available composite 088.
There's also a base station budget version as well. I'll show you that. Now if you look here, let's turn down this is the Uniden. We'll turn it right down. And we'll turn up, we've got this one here. And this is a budget one. The Uniden version is the 355, the BC 355. This is a budget, but it's exactly the same device. If we search, turn up the squelch, and then search, and then we'll just wait for it to see if we find some airband. It's not super fast search, but you think this was £90 delivered, about $100 in the US. You've got